Sa isang simpleng okasyon sa Philippine Navy Hospital ay pinasalamatan ni Navy Flag Officer in Command Vice Admiral Alexander Pama ang nagdala at nagbigay ng donasyong mga gamot na pinangunahan ni Dr. Wilson Chimulo. Ipinakalala ito ni Lieutenant Colonel Omar Tonzay, ang opisyal na tagapagsalita ng Hukbong Dagat ng Pilipinas.
In behalf of the Manila Naval Hospital, I'd like to welcome all of you to very simple turnover rights of assorted medicines, mostly some broad spectrum third generation antibiotics injectables, which were donated by no less than Dr. Wilson Chim York, Filipino, practicing in Taiwan, through the help of Mrs. Susan Tutaan, and of course our Philippine Navy Officers' Wives Association. And before we symbolically turn over the medicines, we'd like to invite Dr. York for a few words, perhaps, sir.
Actually, this is a surprise for me to speak up. Actually, we are already donating medicine for 3 years already. Since as far as I know, for 3 years already. We will likely, maybe you will also add your hospital here sa mga medication na susunod darating na taon. Yun lang po.
Thank you very much, sir. And of course, in response to accept and eventually turn over to the Manila Naval Hospital the donated medicines, may we hear a few words from our Flag Officer in Command, Vice Admiral Alexander P. Pama.
I would like to thank in particular, unang-una si Mrs. Tutaan. Akala ko kwentuhang sosyalan. Nagulat po ako kahapon yata o isang araw nung sinabi na ipapadeliver na raw yung grupo ni Mrs. Tutaan. Ngunit alam naman po natin lahat po ng ito, kung si Mrs. Tutaan lang po, hindi naman po magkakaroon ng agarang katuparan yung mga bagay na to. At ito ito'y natupad dahil sa kagandahang loob ni Dr. and Mrs. Wilson Sr.
Si Navy Flag Officer in Command Vice Admiral Alexander Pama. Yan ang exclusive report ng RH News sa Hukbong Dagat ng Pilipinas. RH 1011 Bing Formento naglilingkod sa pagbabalita.